And what will you be serving with your pan-fried cod today?
I'm going to serve some fried onions and some locally grown boiled red potatoes.
Edith, can you tell us how you make your cod au gratin?
My cod au gratin, I make my roux. I dice an onion, saute it in some butter, add some flour to thicken it, make a paste, and it'll thicken. Then I add some milk or heavy cream, bring that to a boil. I add some shredded cheese, give it a good stir, and once it thickens, I pour it over my prepared cod, which has already been seasoned with salt and pepper. And then I top it off with some more cheese and some breadcrumbs. Bake it in the oven for about 25-30 minutes.
And Edith, what will you be making for dessert today?
Today I made some raisin peach muffins, and I also made some raisin peach mini loaves.
Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you the next episode of Fresh from Edith's Kitchen.